Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 722, which is problem number 2 in section 7.2. This problem is done in the concept video for section 7.2 as well. There is a minor correction in that problem, so I would like to do this problem again here. So it is integral sine cube theta cosine to the power 4 theta d theta. So here it is a combination of trig functions. Here it's a combination of sine and cosine. So some of the things that you notice, it's a combination of sine and cosine. And then the exponent of sine is odd. Exponent of sine is odd, and the exponent of cosine is even. So it's odd exponent and this is even exponent. So anytime you have a sine and cosine combination, you have to look for which trig function has an odd exponent, and you have to save the one that has an odd exponent. So we are going to save a sine. So this is our step number 1. Save a sine. So I can write the given integrand as sine theta d theta because I want to save the sine. But you have sine cube in the integrand. So sine square times sine will make it sine cube. So we don't have to do anything with the cosine to the power 4 theta because we are going to substitute cosine theta as u. So anytime you look for what you save, if you are saving sine, then your substitution would be cosine theta. In a problem, if you are saving a cosine, then your substitution would be sine theta. Okay, so we are making a substitution u equal to cosine theta. So du is negative sine theta d theta. So I'm going to call the given integral as I, which is sine square theta cosine to the power 4 theta sine theta d theta, and we are assuming u equal to cosine theta and du is negative sine theta d theta. Now the goal is now to write the whole of integrand in terms of u. Write the integrand in terms of u. So for that, we have to use the Pythagorean identity that sine square theta is 1 minus cosine square theta. So we can write that as 1 minus u square. That's the idea of writing sine square in terms of cosine square. So now I'm going to make that substitution that we made. So this sine square, which is 1 minus cosine square, which we wrote as 1 minus u square, that is 1 minus u square times cosine to the power 4. Cosine to the power 4 is u to the power 4. Then sine theta d theta, sine theta d theta is negative du. Right? So it is equal to negative du. So now we can remove the minus sign out and it is integral. If you distribute, it becomes u to the power 4 minus u to the power 6 du. Now again, if you take the minus sign inside, distribute the minus, it becomes u to the power 6 minus u to the power 4 du. What is integral of u to the power 6, which is e to the power 7 over 7 minus u to the power 5 over 5 plus c? If you convert the u back to the original variable, which is cosine theta, so it is cosine to the power 7 theta over 7 minus cosine to the power 5 theta over 5 plus c. Hope this video helps.